Welcome to Excelsior American School, where global learning begins. Our International Baccalaureate Diploma program prepares students to excel both academically and globally. With hands-on experiments, IBDP students explore scientific concepts through real-world applications. The IBDP encourages independent research, fostering a love for learning and critical thinking. It's not just about academics. IBDP students thrive through arts, sports, and community service, developing well-rounded skills. Students showcase their talents, ideas, and leadership through presentations and collaborative projects. Excelsior IBDP students graduate with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to succeed globally. Are you ready for a world-class education? Join us today. Admissions open for 2025 to 26 for class 11th.